In this video, we'll solve 11 short word problems one at a time with clear questions and answers on screen. Problem 1. Rajesh and Selly buy snacks for $15.5. Selly pays 3/10. Rajesh pays 7/10. We need Rajesh's share. We multiply 15.5 by 0.7. The result is $10.85. Problem 2. A chocolate packet costs $6.5 with a 10% discount. 10% of 6.5 is 0.65. Subtract to get $5.85. Problem 3. A six-sided dice. Probability of 5 or 6. That's 2 outcomes out of 6. 2 over 6 is 1/3, or 33.33%. Problem 4. Lottery, circle numbers 0 to 7. You win with more than 6. Only the number 7 works. So 1 outcome out of 8. Probability is 1/8 or 0.125. Problem 5. Compound interest. $5,000 at 2.55% for 8 years, compounded annually. We use A equals P times 1 plus R to the n. The interest earned is the final amount minus the principal, about $1,115.8. Problem 6. Furniture costs $1,000 with 10% discount. Customer pays $900. You earn 10% of that, which is $90. Problem 7. A tube has 80 milliliters. You use 2 milliliters twice a day, so 4 per day. Half the tube is 40. 40 divided by 4 is 10 days. Problem 8. Rajesh drinks 1 liter 3 times, so 3 liters. Selly drinks half a liter 5 times, so 2.5 liters. The difference is 0.5 liters. Problem 9. Singapore is GMT plus 8, and Los Angeles is GMT minus 7. That is a 15-hour difference. 10 a.m. in Singapore is 7 p.m. the previous day in Los Angeles. Problem 10. Total cost is $36.6. Customer gives 100. Change is 100 minus 36.6, which is $63.4. Problem 11. Taxi starts at 6:57 a.m. and stops at 7:11 a.m. That's 3 minutes to 7 o'clock plus 11 more, for a total of 14 minutes. Great job! You just solved 11 different real-world math problems.